National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 3:15 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Coral Gables, Miami Gardens, North Miami, Doral, North Miami Beach, Aventura, Miami Lakes, Sunny Isles Beach, Opa-locka, Miami Springs, Miami Shores, North Bay Village, El Puerto, West Little River, Glazeview, Pinewood, and Westview. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.